Bonjour everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Haitian fried turkey. For this recipe, I'm using a case of turkey wings, which I purchased at a supermarket at the meat department. The first step is to cut down the meat. Using a butcher's knife and a little bit of force, I separate the turkey wing from the shoulder right at the joint. I also make a few cuts on the wing. This method ensures that the turkey cooks thoroughly and evenly. Now it's time to clean. Using salt, lemon, sour orange, and some vinegar, I give the turkey a nice bath. Then I pour boiling hot water over the turkey and let it sit for 1 minute. After pouring out the hot water, I rinse it one more time with cold water and then put it in a new bowl. Now to season the meat, I use Neguess, Creole, Haitian, Epis. This savory blend has all of the seasoning that you need for this meat, and I make it fresh every day at my restaurant. Now, in a pot, I add in some olive oil and layer in all the turkey. I also add a bouquet of thyme, cilantro, and parsley, sweet green peppers, cloves, and about 1 cup of water to help it steam. I also add some bay leaves, cayenne pepper, and paprika just for a little bit of spice. On medium-high heat, let the turkey steam and cook in its own broth water for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now that the turkey has been cooked internally, it's time to fry it. Heat some frying oil to 350. Add a few turkey pieces and let it fry for 3 to 5 minutes until it's golden brown like this. And voila, you have Haitian fried turkey. This is my favorite dish, and I love to pair it with some sauce and some Haitian pickles. And now the catering order is ready to go. Bon appetit, everyone!